everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Every Day.
Hi, friends. It's so nice to see you again. I'm Ben.
And I'm Sarah. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most common places people visit, the supermarket.
That's right. We'll learn useful words and phrases you can use when you go shopping for food.
We'll speak slowly, clearly, and repeat new words to help you understand.
So don't worry if you're a beginner. Just relax, listen carefully, and speak with us.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It really helps us grow.
And remember, the best way to learn English is to listen, repeat, and use it every day.
Okay, Ben, let's go shopping.
Sure. Wow, this supermarket looks so big.
Yes, it's really big. There are so many aisles.
Aisles? What does that mean again?
An aisle is a long path between shelves. You can walk down the aisle to find what you need.
Oh, like a small road inside the supermarket.
Exactly.
What should we buy first?
Let's start with fruits and vegetables. They're always at the front of the store.
Look at all these colors. Apples, oranges, bananas.
Yes, everything looks fresh today. Which apples do you want, red or green?
I'll take green ones. They're sour but crunchy.
I prefer red apples. They're sweet.
How much are these apples?
Let's see. It is not expensive.
That's about $2. Not bad.
All right, let's take 2 kilograms.
What about bananas?
Bananas are healthy and full of vitamins.
Great. Let's take 1 bunch of bananas.
Now, let's move to the vegetable section.
Oh no, here we go again.
Ben, you don't like vegetables, do you?
I like some, but not all.
Okay, what vegetables do you like?
I like carrots because they're sweet and crunchy.
Good choice. Carrots are good for your eyes.
What about these green ones?
That's spinach. It's very healthy.
Oh, like Popeye eats.
Exactly. Spinach makes you strong.
Let's also buy some tomatoes, onions, and cucumbers.
Perfect. Those are great for salad. Okay, next is the dairy section.
Dairy means food made from milk, right?
Yes, milk, cheese, yogurt, butter, cream, all dairy products.
I love cheese. Look, there's cheddar cheese, mozzarella, and cream cheese.
Let's take cheddar cheese. It's great for sandwiches.
And maybe some yogurt. I like the strawberry one.
Good idea. Yogurt is healthy and good for digestion.
Oh, Sarah, look, the snack aisle, my favorite place.
I knew you'd be excited.
Potato chips, cookies, chocolate. This is heaven.
Remember, Ben, snacks are delicious, but not too healthy.
I know, I know. I'll only take 1 small bag of chips.
And maybe 1 bar of chocolate?
Deal.
Let's check the frozen food aisle.
Oh, that's where they keep things like ice cream and frozen pizza, right?
Yes, frozen food means food that's kept very cold so it stays fresh longer.
I want ice cream. Can we buy some?
Okay, but just 1 box.
I promise. Vanilla flavor?
Sure,
We should also get some rice and noodles.
good idea. Those are basic foods in many homes.
And maybe some eggs and bread?
Yes, eggs are great. You can cook them for breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
True. I think we have everything.
Great. Let's go to the checkout.
Checkout means where we pay, right?
That's right. The checkout counter is the place where you pay for your groceries.
Okay, let's put everything on the counter.
Don't forget your shopping cart.
Oh yes, my cart is full.
You can also say shopping basket if you have a smaller one.
Got it.
All right. The checkout counter is scanning our items.
What does scanning mean?
Scanning means using a machine to read the price. The cashier scans each item to see the cost.
Ah, okay. Now we pay. Do you want to pay with cash or card?
I'll pay by card. Good choice. It's quick and easy. All right, shopping is done. Let's sit down and review what we learned today.
Great idea.
First, the word aisle.
Aisle means the long space you walk through between shelves.
You can walk down the aisle to find what you need.
Next is dairy.
Dairy means food made from milk, like cheese, yogurt, butter, and milk.
Example, I buy yogurt in the dairy section.
Then we have checkout.
Checkout is the place where you pay for your groceries.
Example, I'm going to the checkout to pay.
Another useful word, cashier.
The cashier is the person who works at the checkout and helps you pay.
The cashier scans my items.
We also used the word frozen food.
Frozen food is food that's kept very cold, like ice cream or frozen pizza.
And we talked about groceries.
Groceries are the things you buy at the supermarket, food and household items.
Perfect! You can repeat these words slowly with us.
Let's say them together. Aisle, dairy, checkout, cashier, frozen food, groceries.
Wonderful!
So today, we went shopping at the supermarket.
We learned many new English words and phrases for shopping.
You can practice these words next time you go to the store.
For example, where is the dairy section? Or, I'd like some bananas, please.
The more you speak, the more confident you'll become.
That's true. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep practicing.
And listen to English every day.
Yes, the more you listen, the faster you'll improve.
All right, friends, that's all for today's episode of Learn English Every Day.
Thank you so much for learning with us.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone!